Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the thermal paste on your Dell Vostro 5000 series laptop. This is an essential maintenance task that can significantly improve your device's performance and prevent overheating. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, isopropyl alcohol, and a lint-free cloth. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid any contamination. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components. Locate the CPU and GPU, which are typically covered by a heatsink. Carefully unscrew the heatsink using your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to keep track of the screws, as they can be easily lost. Once the heatsink is removed, you will see the old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. Using the lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol, gently wipe away the old thermal paste. Ensure that both surfaces are clean and free of any residue. This step is vital for the new thermal paste to adhere properly. Now apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the center of the CPU and GPU. A pea-sized amount is usually sufficient. When you reattach the heatsink, it will spread the paste evenly across the surface. Reassemble your laptop by reversing the steps. Carefully place the heatsink back in position and secure it with the screws. Then, replace the back panel and screw it back into place. Make sure everything is tightly secured to avoid any rattling or movement. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without any hassle. Our professional diagnosis is without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done before committing to any repairs. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the battery and power on your laptop. Monitor the temperatures to ensure that the new thermal paste is working effectively. You should notice a significant improvement in performance and a reduction in overheating. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide quotes before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service at your convenience. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.